And like this, if you do in here, you can save something. For example, save as a style in here. Here you see they have the title style in here. They have a lot of style, so you can apply to the object in here. And if you like it, you can just select object. You can click on it like this, so you can apply the style on it. And if you want, you can change the property on here. For example, some color you want to change it. You want to change the color, no problem, you change it. So you can make it and change it. And if you want, you can apply another one, another style like this. And here, and the title style in here, they can apply to a text and also can apply to a graphic like this. So you can apply on them like this. If you select both of them, you see all of them apply on them like this. So you can apply the title style on the object in here. This very easy. And when you want to do design your title, you can just apply the style on it and modify the appearance on it. So you don't need to make everything from zero like this, from empty. So you can design your title based on something, and helping you to save a lot of time. So you don't need to do from zero. You just apply the one close to your need. So you can change the thing you want. For example, just color, shadow, or whatever in here. So let you save a lot of time on it, designing a title. And more about here, we can save a object, save a styler in here, so you can use them. And let's take example, we use this. For example, we apply this style on here, you know that, and we can change the color. For example, we change the color in here, we change something, and for example, we remove the shadow like this. And here you say, okay, I like this, I want to use this style every time for next style or next style to apply to my styler, to my title. So you can save this as the style. For example, you can save it in here, save as a new style, so you can put a name on it. I just click it, keep it as the name in here, click OK. So I have just saved one style here. Or if you want, you can change here, save another one. For example, I change for another form. For example, I change like this form, and I change the color like this. And I can also save it here. So I save it, another one. So at the next style or whatever, I can apply the style to my object like this. So I can apply it, and here I can apply it. So I can save a lot of time to making the design, the title in here. So you can save it. Or somehow in the style here, if you want, of course you can delete it if you don't need it. Like the one, if you don't need the style on here, you can select it, then you go to here, delete the style here. Yeah, do you want to delete it? Yes, okay, delete it. So you delete it, remove it. Like this one, you can remove it if you want. Or if you want to duplicate this style, for example, duplicate this, and you want to just change a little bit things. For example, you change it as all capital like this, or whatever in the underline, change the color. So they were keeping the other property and just change it on here and like this. So you can save it, get apply, or whatever you can do it here. Okay, here I will remove this here. And more about the style, here they have the option here, new style. You know, okay, you can add a new style on the style, title style panel here, and you can apply the style on the select object. You can apply the style with the font size and apply the style color only. So you can take it this, you can check it one by one. You can select the object, select the one, and you can apply on it, apply the color only, or whatever you can make it. You can check it one by one. Duplicate the style, you can duplicate the style, hit the select style, and you can delete the style, rename the style like this. You can rename it, and you can set the style as default. That's in here. This is very useful when you need to do a lot the same style from it. For example, you need to do a lot a title from the same style on it, on this one, so you can set it as the default. So the next time you just click it, they put it on like this. When you click on, they put it this one as the default. They have the icon here. This is the default one. When you just lay a text or whatever on it, they keep in the style on the default one in here. So you can save a title. Go to here, check it, click on here to select the same one. You just open the Adobe Title Designer and start making the title here. They apply on it the default one. Here we check here, go back, set this one as the default. This one, okay. And here they have the reset the style library. They reset here. They set the position, everything in here. And also they can append the style library from another style. Where if you have saved style library in here like this, if you save a style library, you can append it, add on here, and here you can replay the style. If you have a style library, and here this is the display for the styler, title style here. This is a text only here, so you can just have text. You can select in here. Oh, okay, whatever. So you can just have a text style here, and here small thumbnail, large thumbnail. So you know get here. This is the designing.